So we are going to learn what is environment, what is ecosystem, types of ecosystem, importance of environment and impacts of human activities on environment. So first of all, I will start with what is environment. So an environment is everything that is around us, which include both living and non-living, such as soil, water, plants and animals, which adapt themselves to their surroundings. It is nature gift that helps in surrounding life on the earth. So basically, if we step outside of our house, we see everything like living and non-living things. For example, plants, trees, animals, birds, etc. So we see both living and non-living things. Now, living things are those which can breathe, which can prepare their own food, which can move from one place to the other place. For example, like human being, plants and animals. Both plants and animals and the human being, they can prepare their own food, they can move from one place to other place, they can breathe as well. So they are called the living things. And now the non-living things. Non-living things are those who cannot move from one place to the other place, who cannot breathe themselves, who cannot prepare their own food. For example, like table, chair, houses, etc. They are the examples of non-living things. And these living things and non-living things are a gift by the nature on the earth. So the environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth. So the environment plays an important role in the existence of life, because if we keep our environment clean, it will be the safety place for the people who live on the earth, or else it will be the safety place for the living things and both non-living things who resides in the earth. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, which means surrounding. Now the word environment is derived from the French word called environ, which means surrounding. So the other name of environ is surrounding, and the word environment is derived from the French word. So now, what is ecosystem? An ecosystem refers to all the living and non-living things present in the environment, and it is the foundation of the biosphere, which determines the health of the entire planet. And next is the types of environment. There are two types of environment. There are two types of ecosystem. The first one is natural ecosystem and the other one is artificial ecosystem. Firstly, I will explain what is natural ecosystem. So, natural ecosystem is a naturally produced biological environment found in nature. It includes desert, forest, grassland, lakes, mountain, ponds, rivers, ocean, etc. So, what are natural ecosystem? Natural ecosystems are those which are naturally produced by the nature itself. For example, like desert, forest, grassland, lakes, mountain, rivers, ocean, etc. All those are natural gifts to the earth, because desert is something which is universally true that it exists from before itself. It is not something like it is not something like people created or people made that desert. So it is kind of universal truth that desert is a desert from before itself. It is a gift of it is a gift to the earth from the nature. And rivers rogoto obahaino blena je humans ro create khainia our river aginisim no tongto, and mountain rogoto abo kunu dino borok snami maya amo aginisim no bo mountain tonguno. And the next one is artificial ecosystem. It is an artificial environment which created and maintained by man. So now this is something which is created by the man other than natural gifts to the earth. It includes an aquarium, crop fields, garden, park, zoo, etc. So garden, everyone knows what is garden, and zoo, park, crop field, aquarium, etc. Those are all created or else man-made things. So these are called the artificial ecosystem. The next is the component of the environment, which is divided into two categories again. First one is biotic environment and the other one is abiotic environment. So biotic environment includes all living organisms such as animals, birds, forests, etc. So what is biotic environment? Biotic environment includes all living organisms such as animals, birds, forests, insect, etc. মানে যে living things বা যে living organism abonono hono biotic environment. For example, like animals, they are living organisms. They can move, they can breathe, they can prepare their own food. So they are living things. And birds are also living things. They move, they eat, they breathe. And forest, insect, etc. So they are living things. Next is abiotic. It includes all non-living components such as air, cloud, dust, land, mountain, river, etc. So abiotic ko sabo abiotic ko hanggang kay jara zen non-living borok jara zen non-living things বা non-living components amrong hanggang kay abiotic hono. For example, like cloud, dust, land, mountain, river, table, etc. They cannot move, they cannot eat, they cannot prepare their own food, they cannot breathe as well. So they are non-living things. So all those non-living things, the components, are called the abiotic environment. Next, impact of human activities on environment. Mane human rock je yak ba sinamani mani rock by environment tamo bobo haike hamia aboni impact ni sengkabu porilainai. So there are different types of human activities which are directly attributed to the environmental disaster, which include acid rain, acidification of ocean, changes in the climate, deforestation and overpopulation, and also pollution, etc. So we human beings are something like extraordinary. We always wanted extra things everywhere and every time. We are not satisfied with what we get from the nature directly, and we are not we can say that we are not satisfied with the gift of nature only. And we always, human being always wants to create something extraordinary as well. So there are different types of human activities which are directly attributed to the environmental disaster. So the man-made things amorok directly no affect kayo asini environment, and it causes to environmental disaster like acid rain, acidification of ocean, changes in climate, deforestation. Now what is deforestation? Is recklessly cutting down of trees are called deforestation. Overpopulation, I think everyone knows what is overpopulation or what is population. And next one is pollution, etc. So pollution is also man-made creation, like karno sabo invention khaiga we human being. So karno invention khaima bagino tabuk o karni hokuno khoro, and then sound system no bosin borok no create khayo, and then aroni noise pollution khayo. So directly we can say that this pollution are also human made. So this is the explanation of impact of human activities on environment, and also the explanation of what is environment. Thank you.